Let's start. Time to show you my inner person. Let's start. What's up, you guys? Welcome back here at this Monday. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make the Scarlet Witch effect in Capcut Video Editor. So all you have to do is to pick your clip when you're doing that stuff, like be like acting for nothing. Yeah, you keep the you pick the clip. So the first thing you have to be with the Scarlet. Okay, it's like a magic stuff. You have to be with it. So we're gonna be going, when I raise my hand like holding something in the air, you split it. You split that part right there. So you go into your gallery and you have to pick that clip of the Scarlet Witch magic. So it's there, it will be in the link in the description below. So like you pick it, but you have to make sure that, okay, it's like if she transforms, like it becomes red. Okay, like the area becomes red. So I'm gonna be trying to make that, and at the end it has to disappear, like as if like if you stop holding, it holds. So you go on this stuff, you pick slide. So after sliding, you see it can be like the whole room red. So you first make it red. It's like you go and splice and you make the whole room red. So like, yeah, that's a fantastic shot. So after that, you have to add another overlay of another power. Like you have to copy, add another overlay. So take some time, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video and comment on it. So you see it's great there. So you have to split. Okay, you have to cut and delete the rest of the part because we don't want the rest of the part. So this one we're gonna be making it like we're gonna spice option. Like we have to make it like when it's seen by the camera. So that's seen and it shows like the power. Yeah. Now you put it up a bit, enlarge it. Yeah. That's it. So you leave it in. Yep. So that's it. You split and delete, and on the second clip you split and delete. So you can be like finished with your, let me see, clip. Yeah, that's it. That is Scarlet Witch. If you like it, comment down below. So it's time to export, do some other things. So you export, you wait for it to export, but don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button, like this video and comment on it. I'll be giving out shout outs whenever I will reach a milestone, So that's it. So that's the video. Let's watch. Wow, Scarlet Witch. Bye.